Inside your body, beyond the bloodstream, exists a biological highway called interstitial fluid, or ISF. This fluid surrounds every cell, carrying thousands of biomarkers that reveal what's happening deep inside your body.
What's new about our understanding of the interstitium is that it is a body-wide system that links up across all organ boundaries. It used to be thought of as just spaces between cells or spaces around the smallest blood vessels, around the capillaries. That's where nutrient and waste exchange happens in the body. And it turns out that those spaces throughout the body are 4 times the size of the cardiovascular system. Our most recent research in living tissues shows these spaces in between are filled with hyaluronic acid, which is sort of a filtering molecule, and fluid is flowing through those. So it's a major highway of communication through the body. We were focused on these tiny spaces between cells or around the capillaries. We've been walking down sidewalks, and it turns out there's a superhighway we were ignoring.
ISF is a goldmine of health data, including the same biomarkers as blood. Even more valuable, studies have shown that ISF contains up to 50% more unique biomarkers than blood. This includes early disease indicators, proteins, and other molecular signals that provide a clearer picture of what's happening in the body. Blood has long been the gold standard for diagnostics, but it has limitations. Many disease-related biomarkers appear first in ISF, making it an ideal fluid for early detection. Additionally, the body has 3 to 4 times more ISF than blood. ISF also has a lower proteolytic environment than blood, which helps to stabilize them. That's why ISF has the potential to revolutionize diagnostics and early cancer detection and a wide range of conditions. ISF can provide critical insights into lactate levels, aiding in the assessment of sepsis, cardiovascular stress, and metabolic disorders. ISF could be used to develop new therapies and treatments for skin conditions, as well as for skin health products. And ISF contains biomarkers for traumatic brain injury, offering a rapid, non-invasive way to assess brain trauma and concussion severity.
A really good example of how interstitial fluid can provide access to earlier outcomes is in prostate-specific antigen. So it's a really commonly used biomarker for prostate cancer. And we can continuously sample interstitial fluid at home using a GIFIC device. We can measure the PSA on the device, and that can give patients an early indication that they may either have prostate cancer or that it's come back. That will allow patients to get much more access to care quicker, easier, and allow them to get their PSA level at home in a format they're comfortable with.
This rich biologic data provides a real-time view of holistic health, unlocking new possibilities for disease prevention, monitoring, and personalized care. Despite its potential, ISF has remained out of reach. Traditional methods require invasive procedures, laboratory processing, and expensive equipment. No one has been able to develop a simple, non-invasive way to sample pure ISF. But technological advances are changing this. By leveraging patented electroporation technology, GIFIC Biomedical has developed a device that creates temporary micro-openings in the skin, allowing ISF to be collected quickly, safely, and painlessly. This innovation unlocks access to a wealth of biomarkers, enabling groundbreaking applications in early cancer detection and beyond. Accessing ISF represents a turning point in research and biomarker discovery. The future of diagnostics is here, faster, earlier, and more accessible than ever before.
If we were able to measure biological target engagement directly in the fluid around the cells, we would boost the pace of discovery.
Companies like GIFIC are pioneering this new science, changing diagnostics and ushering in a new era of personalized medicine.